Well, isn't this an interesting tidbit of information? Hey guys, this is Jules with True Crime Reactions. Disclaimer. Everything stated in this video is my opinion and my opinion only, and just like everything else in these cases we discuss here on this channel, everything is alleged. Okay, so Heather over on Twitter sent me this morning, and I just wanted to pass it along to you guys because it looks as if somebody filed a complaint against Bill Thompson, and he has officially been added to the Giglio Brady list. Now, I'll have a link for this down in the description box for you guys to go and look at it yourselves if you so choose to, but I'm just going to show you guys just the very basics on the screen itself and read you guys the summary of what this person is claiming, because this is like a DV case with CA, and there's photos and screenshots of conversations and emails and stuff attached to this. And I am not going to sit here and read through all of the screenshots of this situation. I'm just wanting to share out that there is a listing for Bill Thompson on the Giglio Brady list, and it is after the Idaho case. It is from December of 2023. And this woman is basically claiming that the case was closed without her even being told what was going on, and she has lots of evidence of the person whose case was dropped admitting to all of the things that he was apparently supposed to be getting in trouble for and now is not getting in trouble for. So I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. So as you can see, this is the GiglioBradyList.com, and it has William W. Thompson at the Latell County Prosecuting Attorney. And this is his, I guess, bar number. I'm not really quite sure how a bunch of this stuff is labeled. I'm not going to pretend like I know because I don't. So this is prosecutor misconduct number 172-4533897-986-014716. Says the date of offense is December 29th of 2023 for bias. And if you look at the definition of bias for the Brady list, it states prosecutor misconduct involving bias refers to when a prosecutor allows personal opinions, prejudices, or other factors to influence their decision making or behavioral in a criminal case. This can include making decisions based on factors such as race, religion, or political beliefs, or failing to disclose exculpatory evidence to the defense due to a personal bias against the defendant. Bias-motivated prosecutor misconduct can be particularly damaging to a fair and just trial outcome and is generally considered a violation of ethical and professional standards for prosecutors. Now, like I said, there's like these are photos of like bruises on a child. So that's why I'm not going through all of this stuff, and YouTube would probably demonetize my channel in a heartbeat. This listing will be in the description box if you guys want to go and get more details on the situation. But this is the summary from the person who filed this against Bill Thompson. I was informed by my ex-husband's attorney that the case against him was closed. I was never contacted by the prosecutor, despite there being a ridiculous amount of evidence of our abuser's admissions. And in the screenshots, there's like a weird long Facebook post, and then there's like these ginormous novel length like emails. So that's what's in there. They include financial, emotional, sexual, stalking, protection order violation, and child abuse. Due to the negligence, my child is still experiencing neglect and physical abuse. There is more documentation from when I reported, as well as the last 8 and nearly 9 months. So I don't know the situation, but somebody posted this on here. It was enough to get actually posted to this. I don't know how this works. I don't know if somebody can just like willy-nilly go on here and post a complaint. I guess let's see if it's going to like what it's going to show me. Okay, so let's see. File a public complaint of prosecutorial misconduct. But does it get like checked and validated, or does it just get put up there? Type of complaint. Bias. And I just press submit. What? And then so you do it like, okay, one piece at a time. Update statement evidence. Okay, contact information. Okay, yeah, it technically sort of does look like it's sort of like a Wikipedia. Citizen reports. I want to know if they actually like verify anything. I mean, okay. The U.S. Supreme Court decision in Brady versus Maryland and subsequent rulings have made it a duty of all law enforcement organizations to provide to the prosecution any material that would have a reasonable possibility of altering the results in a trial or could reasonably mitigate the sentencing of a defendant, and two, any material relevant to the credibility of witnesses, including but not limited to police officers. Okay, but that doesn't tell me how this list works. See, because this whole like citizen reports. Huh. And that's why I'm curious, like, is this stuff validated as actually being a situation of true misconduct, or is this just somebody who's like upset? I mean, this part right here about never being contacted by the prosecutor is absolutely ridiculous. I went through that exact same thing. I always found out everything days and days before the prosecuting attorney would ever get in contact with me, or I would get any sort of notifications about anything. I was doing my own due diligence to find everything out. So that part I understand. And it does look like she does have a lot of evidence here. So that's why I'm curious, like, are they validated? Is there some sort of verification system? Or after that form is filled out, does it just post your stuff and nobody double checks anything? If anybody knows how this actually works, please let me know. But I guess that's it. I saw this because Heather sent it to me on Twitter and wanted to share it with you guys. And now I have questions, like a lot of questions about how this whole website actually works, because I've never really dug into it and looked into it to really want to know, I guess. But yeah, now I'm curious. So let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments. And if you like the way that I present this information and give my opinion, please don't forget to leave a like on your way out. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already. And don't forget to make sure that your notification bell is set to all so you don't miss any of my rants, reviews, reactions, updates, or deep dives. See y'all.